Good morning children. Welcome back to online classroom of Sri Gokulam Public School Guruvayur. Today let's learn two concepts, near and far and full and empty. So have you heard the word near and far? What's its meaning? Near and far. Okay, near means close to us. Near means close to us. But far means away from us. Okay, see, when we say an object is near to us means that we can see and touch easily. Clear? Nearby object we can see and touch easily. But when an object is far from us means that we cannot see and touch easily. Clear? Nearby object can see and touch easily, but the object when it is far from us that cannot see and touch easily. Now I show a video. Okay, after watching this you will get a clear idea about this near and far. Click the tree that is near. Yes, this tree is near. Next, see children. Here you can click the ball that is near. Well done. This ball is near. Next example. Click the dolphin that is far. Very good. This dolphin is far. Next. Click the goat that is far. Well done. This goat is far. One more example. Click the tractor that is far. Very good. This tractor is far. Okay, our next topic is full and empty. Full and empty. What is mean by full and empty? Empty means nothing. Empty means nothing. See children, when you take a box without filling anything, then we can say that that box is empty. Okay, when you put some objects in the box, then we can say that box is full or half full. Okay, now I show one example. See, can you see the box? See, can you see the box? Okay, the box is empty. Okay, nothing inside. Okay, so we can say this box is empty. When I put some objects here, see, here I put some objects. Okay, one eraser, then some chalks, and also one small dictionary. Okay, see, now the box is filled with some objects. Okay, now we can say this box is full. Okay, now we can say this box is full. Okay, now I am showing a video. After watching this, the concept will be more clear to you.
Hi, Larry. I see you're at the playground. What do you play with? Oh, a toy box. And it's full with toys. Full.
Full! Full!
You turn the box over. All the toys are out. And now your toy box is empty.
Empty! Empty!
Let's play with sand now. I see you have a bucket full of sand. Full.
Full! Full!
Larry, you turn the bucket over and all the sand is out. Now your bucket is empty. Empty.
Empty! Empty!
Don't be sad, Larry. You had a good time playing. Look, there is a bowl filled with water for you to drink.
Full! Full!
Great, Larry. You drank the entire bowl of water. Now it's empty.
Empty! Empty!
Water is good for you, Larry.
Okay children, now I hope you all enjoyed the video and understood the concepts near and far and full and empty. Clear? Then see you on next section. Take care. Bye.